How to add a payment method in Klarna. Want to add a new card or bank account? This guide shows you how you can add a payment method in Klarna so you can pay for your purchase. First, open the Klarna app and go to your My Klarna page or settings. You can find this in the main menu at the bottom of your screen. Look for Payment Method section and tap on it. On the payment method page, you'll see a button that says Add a new payment method. Tap on it and you'll be able to choose between adding a credit or debit card or linking a bank account, just like this. Once you've selected a method, you'll be asked to enter your payment details. Once you've entered your payment details, tap on Add. Klarna will verify the payment method and it will be added to your account. You now can use the new payment method to pay for your purchases. It is a great way to manage your purchase. You now know how to add a payment method in Klarna. Get ready to pay for your purchases. Like and subscribe for more finance tips.